Friends, online courses are everywhere right now. New platforms appear all the time, promising new skills, better jobs, and faster career growth. But the reality is a bit more complicated. Some platforms genuinely help you build real and usable skills, while others just give you a few hours of content without much long-term value. And for most people, the real challenge is figuring out which courses are actually worth the time and which ones you can safely skip. I'm Daniel, and in today's video, we are taking a closer look at Udemy, one of the most well-known online learning platforms in the world. I have been using this platform for over 7 years, and I've also tested their subscription model, which Udemy added relatively recently. I even did a full review of that in a separate video on my channel. I'll break down what Udemy really offers, who it makes the most sense for, and how it can actually fit into your career or skill-building plans. We'll talk about the types of courses you can find there, the strengths and limitations of the platform, and whether Udemy is something you should consider using. I've personally bought more than 40 training programs on Udemy, so this review is based on real, hands-on experience, rather than just browsing the platform. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. So mates, let's start with the basics. Udemy is an online learning marketplace where individuals and companies publish classes on a wide variety of topics. Instead of following a traditional academic model, the platform is built around practical, skill-focused learning that you can access entirely online. The idea behind Udemy is simple: connect people who have real-world experience with those who want to learn specific skills. Instructors from different industries create video-based courses covering everything from business and marketing to IT, design, and personal development. As a learner, you can choose individual learning content and study at your own pace, without deadlines or fixed schedules. Folks, one important thing to understand is that Udemy itself doesn't produce the materials. All content is created by independent instructors. Because of that, teaching styles, educational content depth, and overall quality can vary. Some programs are designed for complete beginners, while others focus on more advanced or professional level topics. Another key feature of Udemy is flexibility. When you purchase a training, you get lifetime access, which means you can revisit the material whenever you need a refresher. This makes Udemy especially useful for learning practical skills that you might want to review or apply over time. Mates, pricing is also a big part of Udemy's appeal. While classes prices can look high at first, the platform regularly runs major discounts and seasonal sales. Getting started with Udemy is simple and doesn't require any technical knowledge. The platform is designed so you can focus on learning rather than setup or complicated navigation. Friends, the first step is creating a free account. After that, you can explore the course library using search tools and filters. They help you narrow down your options and find materials that match your goals and experience level. This makes it easier to compare educational content and choose one that matches your goals and current experience. Udemy offers flexible access to learning through subscription plans that give you entry to a wide range of courses under one account. Instead of thinking in terms of one-off purchases, the focus shifts toward ongoing learning, where you can explore different programs and build skills over time. Once you're enrolled, you get full access to the course materials, including video lessons and practical resources designed to help you apply what you learn. Udemy now gives you two main ways to learn. You can either buy individual courses or use their subscription plan, depending on what fits your goals better. Guys, training is fully self-paced, meaning there are no deadlines or fixed schedules. You can move through the content at your own speed, rewatch lessons, or skip directly to specific sections. Your progress is saved automatically, allowing you to switch between devices without losing your place. Udemy also includes interactive elements that support learning. Many courses offer a Q&A section where you can ask the instructor questions, as well as discussion areas where students share insights or solutions. Quizzes and practice tasks help reinforce what you've learned and test your understanding. Folks, once you complete the learning content, Udemy issues a certificate of completion. While this certificate is mainly for personal tracking and sharing, the real value comes from applying the skills in real projects or using the knowledge to prepare for professional exams. Overall, Udemy's workflow is built around flexibility and convenience, making it easy to integrate learning into a busy schedule. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. One of the biggest advantages of Udemy is the sheer variety of materials available on the platform. You can find content on almost any skill you might want to learn, covering a wide range of professional and personal development areas. This makes Udemy especially convenient if you prefer learning different skills in one place instead of jumping between multiple platforms. Mates, flexibility is another major strength. Udemy courses are fully self-paced, with no deadlines or fixed schedules to worry about. You can learn in short sessions when you have limited time, or dive deeper when your schedule allows it. Since educational content access doesn't expire, you can always return to the material later, which is useful when you need a refresher or want to review a specific topic. Pricing is also one of the reasons Udemy appeals to such a large audience. While standard learning program prices may look high initially, the platform regularly offers discounts and seasonal sales. During these periods, many courses become much more affordable, making it easier to invest in learning new skills without a significant financial commitment. Friends, another advantage comes from Udemy's instructor-driven model. Most trainings are created by professionals who actively work in their fields, which means the content often reflects real-world scenarios and current industry practices. Instructors also have the freedom to design their classes in a practical way, focusing on how skills are actually used, rather than relying purely on theory. Udemy also makes it relatively easy to judge course quality before enrolling. Detailed learning content previews, along with user ratings and written reviews, give you a clear idea of what to expect. Seeing feedback from thousands of other learners helps reduce uncertainty and makes it easier to choose materials that have already proven useful for a wide audience. So folks, is Udemy worth using? For many people, it can be a very practical learning platform. This is especially true if your goal is to build specific skills or prepare for professional exams at your own pace. Udemy works best when you treat it as a tool for learning, not as a shortcut to instant career results. The real value comes from how you use the platform. Choosing the right courses, staying consistent, and applying what you learn in real situations is what makes the difference. Udemy gives you the flexibility and resources, but the outcome depends on the effort you put in. And a small reminder: pay attention, folks. Udemy usually runs promotions, so it can be a good moment to enroll in educational content at a lower price. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. That's where all the coupons and special offers are. If you want to try the tool, that's the best place to start. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.